Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. What we're going over today is the versatility of wooden screw clamps. You've probably seen these around in Grandpa's garage in the corner or at garage sales or flea markets, and they are really versatile. I use them a lot in the shop. You can see we've added some foam pads to some, cut notches in them so they'll clamp down on round products. A few of them we've added leather to. We glued on leather. You can see I've got some angle pieces in here. These are two different angles, and the clamps will clamp that together to glue it. We've mounted them to our bench on the vise, and then you can bring your product up higher. So, or if it's small and you want to saw it or sand it or tool it, you can file it up like that. And it's good and solid, so it's not moving around with you. If you want to even get it higher, and if you have a smaller piece and you want to change your angle, you can tan them up. We use them all the time on the bandsaw. If you have small pieces that you're trying to get in, and the same on the drill press as well. It'll keep it down flat on the bench and sturdy. Here they are with the different things that we've added to them, as you can see. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. But here's a popular addition that we use quite often. These are called tongs, and these are a 2-inch piece of cedar by 3/4 inches wide. And what we do is just cut a channel out of them so they slide down over your screws. And then we take friction tape and we tape them on so they don't fall off. And what this will do is double your reach. You could even make them longer. And once that's done, what you want to do is just cut yourself a block that you can put between them. And the block is usually the same width of the piece that you're trying to clamp at the end of the bars. And what this will do is allow you to get a good purchase on it. But we do a lot of work on boats, so if we're trying to get in deep on a transom or something, these are indispensable. We use them quite often. And if you get them covered in glue or paint or anything else, or if you damage them, they're cheap and easy to replace. You can see I'm clamping down a piece there. It's got an angle to it, but I can really get a good purchase on it and fasten it down. So these tongs work great when you're trying to get a long reach. We do an awful lot of work on boats, so you're always trying to go beyond where you can get it with a normal clamp. So these work great. And the tongues are easily replaced, so if you damage them, you can just make some new. If you have an angle piece, you can just use these as well to they'll marry up to that angle and give you a nice. Whenever we're building cabinets and we're trying to hold up vertical pieces to get our corners together at the start, we always use these clamps. When we can clamp 2 panels together, we can fasten them together, and then we can continue on building our boxes. So they work great for that. We also mount them on our portable bench. As you can see here, we have a portable bench, and we've mounted a small clamp on it with a C-clamp, and it's great for filing or doing any small pieces. When we're working on the bandsaw, especially with rounds are really dangerous. You can really hurt yourself in the bandsaw. So we use our wooden clamps, and we'll clamp that down, and then we can slide any of the material through, and it's held fast while we work with it. So use your wood clamps. They're great for everything, and you can cut them out, or you can add things to them to extend your reach. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and there's all the wood clamps there. And if you have enjoyed it, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you on the next ones.